Good morning.
Good morning.
We're waiting for Julian so that we can head to church. I can hear people's snow blowers going. Our snow blower decided it doesn't want to work. So, that's great.
Just kidding. I'm back. I'm just waiting for you. Should I try playing that? A little, yeah, here. Get your other mom thing to like, you don't need it.
Birds right outside our window. What is going on, guys? What do you think, Cornelius? Do you see all of these birds out here? He's like, I want to get out. I want to get out and I want to go say hi to them. Yeah, you do. You want to say, hey, bird.
Where are they?
Where'd they go?
They're on the pool. You're the bigger bird.
Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where did he go? Huh? Did he fly away? What are they doing?
That one's looking at him.
Oh. What are they doing? What are they doing, Cornelius? He's looking. We're driving the college kid back. It's 4:30 and it's dark. Well, you can see like the sun is trying to set back there, but we're driving into the darkness. So this is happening right now. I am not amused. We made it. Only barely. And we have to drive back, so we're hoping. Julian was looking at the radar, and it kind of looks like maybe it's going to dissipate. Hopefully. All right, we just dropped Julian back off at his dorm. We went and ate and
in 400 feet, turn right.
Bought batteries for his little Christmas tree.
Turn right.
And now we are heading home. And we're hoping the roads are okay. Final clip.
Final clip.
We made it home.
Yes, we did. Thank God.
It's very late. I have to get up pretty early to get Ethan to set for his commercial. And yeah, that was a that was a crazy trip. But I'm really glad I didn't do it by myself, and I'm glad you didn't do it by yourself. And that's all I'm going to say about that. So tomorrow is Monday. Tomorrow is the day that Ethan gets to go to his first day on set for a commercial, and that'll also be exciting, but hopefully in a different way. So until tomorrow.
It's not mañana.